interesting. Oh my gosh. Have you ever wanted to grow your own crystals on a rock like this one? Well, I tried it and it actually worked. Woo! This is called a blooming rock kit, also known as an indoor rock garden. The idea is super cool. You start with a piece of limestone and you add vinegar, and in just a couple of weeks, tiny little aragonite crystals form on the surface of this beautiful piece of limestone. Let's take it out of the bag and have a gander, because it's kind of hard to see it, isn't it? Just a rock. Here's how it works. You get a plain dish. You get one tall enough that will accommodate the rock so that you can cover it completely. And then you place your limestone in the dish. Oh my god. What the heck? I need some scissors. There we go. Ooh, kind of hefty. Looks like it's got some staining on it. We're gonna put the limestone in the dish. We're supposed to use white vinegar and cover it up. I'm also going to carefully move this into, oh look, it's already bubbling. Ooh, that's so cool. Oh, it's doing its thing. Oh my gosh, it's like Alka-Seltzer. Oh my goodness. That is so cool. Hopefully that's a better view. Look at that. I'm actually going to move it indoors because my garage gets quite hot and I don't want this to evaporate sooner than it should, because it's done when it's all evaporated. Look at the bubbles. Minerals perhaps. Not sure. Going to the surface of the vinegar. I wish I had a way to do time-lapse camera on here. You're going to laugh. I can't take my eyes off of this. I still haven't moved it indoors. Oh, did you see that? Oh my gosh, that is so cool. Look at that. Oh my gosh. The burping rock. I love seeing that going out and away from the rock. Oh my gosh. Cool. All right, it's been exactly 7 days and look, we have aragonite crystals. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Actually, it's cauliflower. No, I'm just kidding. Look at this. Oh my gosh, it's so cool. It's really hard for me to zoom in. I just have my little cell phone here. Oh my gosh. Okay, I got a UV light. Turn it on and see if we can get it to glow. And it does glow. Doesn't that one on the left look like a tooth? Oh my gosh, look at that. That is so cool. Needle-like, really hard to see, but can you see the needle-like points on the, it's like a fan. So these aragonite crystals are actually made up of calcium carbonate, which is a compound of calcium, oxygen, and carbon. Here is another angle. Let's get the UV light on again on this fluorescent mineral. That is pretty cool. Check it in a few days or maybe even tomorrow, because it's actually growing very quickly now. Okay, a couple more days and we got a whole heck of a lot more. Look at this. Oh my goodness. That is so cool. It's just crazy how fast these are growing. I don't see anything. Oh wait, there might be something down in there. Right dead center. And just like that, life gets busy. You leave it sitting in the bowl for, I don't know, I swear it's been a month and a half. I've been so busy and it's literally taking over the bowl. Oh my gosh, look at the crystals though. This is crazy. Let's see if I can zoom in worth a darn. There you go, there's some. Look at that. I'm trying to hold it still. Look at this, this is crazy. See if I can move it slowly so I don't make you dizzy. Is that very cool or what? There you go. Oh my gosh. So much growth. You can't even see the limestone rock. This actually looks kind of gross around the sides. I don't know what the heck. And then I broke some of it off. So you can see that. But well, hang on. Let me do this real quick. Oh my goodness, look at that. Sorry, I'm doing the best I can to zoom in. Okay, now I'm going to take a UV light and see what it looks like glowing. Maybe it'll be prettier than this. It looks like kind of like old cauliflower, don't you think? What do you think? Is it gonna be worth the darn? Let's try. Let's see. Ooh, that actually looks really cool. Oh my goodness. Let's see if I can tap on it a little bit better. There you go. That is so interesting. Oh my gosh. Look at this. How beautiful. Wouldn't that be cool to like display this and just have a UV light on it the whole time? That is amazing. Okay, now I'm gonna put the light, I'm gonna backlight it. That's kind of cool. That's kind of interesting. There's some darker shadows there in front. Cool crystal structures. Let's see if I can get the light in there a little bit better. Come on, light, work with me. Here you go. Here, let me turn this. So interesting. I am not a scientist by any stretch, so I have no idea why the fluorescence comes out like that. Obviously, it's got to do with the minerals. So feel free to chime in. Sorry, I'm wiggling it like crazy, and let me know. There you go. Oh, wow. That's really cool. The fluorescence is very pretty. That is absolutely beautiful. Looks like underwater. I'm still trying to find the best. There we go. Way to hold the light. Oh, look at that. That is fascinating. All the vinegar's gone. Limestone did its job and made these beautiful crystals. Wow, wow, wow. And I've only got two hands here, so let me see if I can zoom in a little bit. Okay, I zoomed in a little bit. How's that? Whew, sorry, dish rattling. Oh my goodness. Absolutely stunning. I think that was worth the experiment. Oh yeah, see, there's the rock down there. Dead center. There's the bottom of it. So now I have a question for you. Do you think if I were to clean this limestone rock that is barely visible and put more vinegar, clean everything off, clean the rock off, get a new bowl, and start all over, fresh vinegar, do you think it would grow crystals again? Sorry, I'm having a hard time holding this thing. So let me know in the comments what you think. Woo! Rock on! Oh, sorry, crystal on! Ah!